Hello friends! Welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate hazelnut macarons. I made macarons with hazelnut flour and I filled them with chocolate hazelnut ganache. I'm using my secret ingredient. If you're ready, let's get started. You're gonna need milk chocolate, heavy cream, unsalted butter, and my secret ingredient. It's amaretti natural hazelnut praline artisan flavor. Semi-melt milk chocolate in a microwave. In a small saucepan, warm up heavy cream, but do not boil. Add heavy cream to melted chocolate in 3 parts. Using spatula, mix this mixture. You have to do it fast and kind of pressing down. Last part of heavy cream. Please make sure you're not boiling heavy cream, you're just warming up. Then my secret ingredient, about 2 tablespoons. Add unsalted butter and mix with a spatula. Then emulsify with a hand blender. And you can see the texture of the ganache. It's smooth and shiny. Using spatula, mix this ganache again. Make sure there is nothing left on the bottom. After that, transfer ganache into flat container. I'm using just regular plate. Cover ganache with plastic wrap to contact and refrigerate. When you're ready to fill macaron shells, check ganache for consistency by pressing with your fingers. Remove plastic wrap, it should come off really easily. That's how it looks. Using spatula, check this ganache. It should be really smooth and shiny. This is the texture we're looking. After that, transfer ganache into piping bag with piping tip. I'm using Wilton 1M. I baked macaron shells using only hazelnut flour. The recipe I'm gonna link below this video. I also have separate video how to make these shells. Place them on a countertop and start filling. I also want to show you closer how to use this 1M piping tip. You hold your macaron shells with one hand and kind of twist when you pipe ganache. To fill macaron shells, you can use any of your favorite piping tips. I'm going to show you one more. It's Wilton 2A. This is just large round tip. This is my favorite part, to sandwich macaron shells. Just look at the texture of this ganache. Very shiny and smooth. And it's really delicious. If you like hazelnut, then this recipe is for you. Look again. And please don't press too hard, you don't need any ganache coming out of the shells. When you fill macaron shells, place them in airtight container and refrigerate. If you like this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and follow me for more. Happy baking!